Hello everyone, welcome to this video on 8 different ways to make your presentation more effective. Whether you are a student, a professional or just someone who wants to improve their public speaking skills, effective presentation skills can be a powerful tool in your arsenal. In this video, we are going to be sharing with you some tips and tricks to help you take your presentation to the next level, with the example of some of the world famous effective speakers. Number 1. Start with a strong introduction. Begin your presentation with a hook that captures your audience attention. This could be a question, a surprising statistic, or a thought-provoking statement. For example, Steve Jobs, the co-founder of Apple, started many of his presentations with a simple question that was relevant to the topic of the presentation. He would then use the rest of the presentation to answer that question. Number 2. Use engaging visual aids. Use slides, images or videos to help communicate your message. These visual aids can help to reinforce your message and make it easier for your audience to understand. For example, TED Talks often use visually stunning graphics and images to help explain complex idea in an easy to understand way. Number 3. Practice active listening. Listen to your audience reactions and adjust your message accordingly. This can help to ensure that your message is resonating with your audience and that they are engaged. For example, Oprah Winfrey is known for her ability to engage with her audience and adapt her message to their needs. She listens to their reactions and incorporates their feedback into her message. Number 4. Use stories and analogies. Use stories and analogies to help your audience understand your message more easily. These tools can help to make your message more relatable and memorable. For example, Sir Ken Robinson, a creative educational expert, uses stories and analogies to make his presentation more engaging and memorable. He uses real-life examples to illustrate complex ideas and concepts. Number 5. Be confident and passionate. Show your enthusiasm for the topic and let your passion shine through. This can help you engage your audience and keep them focused on your message. For example, Simon Sinek, the author and motivational speaker, is known for his passionate and confident delivery. He inspires his audience with his enthusiasm and commitment to his message. Number 6. Use clear and simple language. Use language that is easy for your audience to understand. Avoid using technical jargons or complex vocabulary. For example, Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, is known for his ability to explain complex ideas in simple language. He uses analogies and clear explanation to make his presentation accessible to a wide audience. Number 7. Keep your presentation organized. Use clear headings and subheadings to organize your presentation. This can help you ensure that your message is easy to follow and understand. For example, Jeff Bezos, the CEO of Amazon, is known for his organized and straightforward presentations. He uses clear headings and subheadings to structure his message and make it easy to follow. Number 8. End with a strong conclusion. Conclude your presentation with a clear summary of your main points and a call to action. This can help to ensure that your audience remembers your message and is motivated to take action. For example, Malala Yousafzai, a human rights activist, ends her presentation with a powerful call to action. She inspires her audience to take action and make a positive impact in the world. So, in conclusion, keep experimenting with different techniques until you find what works best for you. And always believe in yourself because you have the power to captivate and inspire your audience. Thank you for watching and I hope you found this video helpful.